Hey everybody, it's Mary with Nelson Nursery and Water Gardens, and have I a tip for you for planting in pots. So when you get your plants, you are going to pop them out of their containers and actually plant the pot first. So I've already done it here, and this is going to give you the perfect size hole. So it's as easy as lift, add in a little bit of fertilizer to make sure that that plant is happy and thrives. I'm using Nelson Plant Food Transplant Genesis mix here. And we are gonna plug and play. So plug that guy in there. And here I have the next one. Pop it out. Again, let's make sure we get a little fertilizer in there. And plug and play. And this right here gives you a thrilling middle piece, a filler, and a piece that's going to spill down the side of your pot and give you wonderful summer shade color for your patio and or by the poolside to enjoy all summer long.